Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. I know you guys, it's been forever since I filmed the video. With everything that's going on, you guys, I wanted to just spend time with my family. My husband was tested with the COVID-19. Thankfully he was negative, and we still had to go through that emotion of waiting period, and it was so much stress, you guys. My whole family was sick, but it was just so much that we were going through, and we just decided to just take this time to just spend time with each other, just enjoy. And we are, at a time where we all are quarantined. We stay home to protect our family, to protect, everybody. We want to practice that social distancing, not just for us, for ourselves, but for everybody else. If you're sick, if you don't need to be out there, stay at home. Stop complaining about being bored at home. Just think about those people that can't be at home with their family. So take this time to spend all those times with your family, and just be thankful that you have your family at home with you and being quarantined with you. The whole world is still suffering. We still all need to just keep that social distancing, just listen to the government, and just that's the only way we can help this problem right now, is social distancing, you guys. So hopefully that someday soon that we'll see that light at the end of the tunnel. Let's just keep on praying for those who have lost their lives, and just be thankful for our heroes. Yeah, I think I'm at the place right now where I just want to get back into it, and I think that everyone needs just a little bit of distraction, and just something to give them happiness, and just something to keep their mind distracted for even just however long a video is. I have all this time now, I don't have no excuse to say I don't have time to do this and that. So I think that now that we are all in a place, we're not sick anymore. My husband is back to work. We are, both my kids are doing the online school. We have somewhat of a routine here at home now, so I am comfortable to start doing my thing. So here I am doing my first unboxing, which is Lashybox. I am still getting all my boxes, so my husband makes fun of me because of course the boxes are delivered here at my house. They deliver it into my front door, and I let it sit there for a minute, and then I have my gloves on. I have my Lysol, and I have my wipes, and I wipe the box just to protect myself, just bringing into the house, and that's how I protect myself. So I have my box right here. We're gonna unbox this today. So if you guys still there, thank you. If you just found me, hello. I hope you guys stay and watch this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please do give this video a thumbs up, and please do turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on all of my uploads. So if you guys want to see what Lashybox is all about, if you guys want to see all the lashes that's in my box for this month, then just keep on watching. If you guys are not familiar with Lashybox, it is a monthly subscription. They do offer false lashes. They have different boxes that will accommodate to what you need. They have beginner lashes. They have more advanced lashes. So advanced boxes, I should say. But lashes is something that you need to practice. You have to practice, you guys, practice. It's something that you have to definitely practice. It's not something, well, maybe there are people out there that's really good at everything that they do, but lashes is something that you definitely have to sit down and practice, because it's definitely, it's a bit hard the first time you do lashes. But I love my lashes. It's something that I have to have when I do a full face of makeup. I don't do lashes every day, especially now that we are just at home. It's something that I just do when I film. So you will get your products, your lashes in here. So Lashybox, the one that I have is $13.99 plus shipping, and they usually put 4 lashes in here. Lashybox have their own lash line, but I did look inside and there is no Lashybox lashes in this month's box. They do have lashes from different company in this month's box, and they usually put makeup products, beauty products in their box. But those ones I'm not too worried about. That ones I usually put them aside for giveaways. They usually put a little tiny glue in here that you can use with your lashes. I don't use that. I use my own. I use my dual glue, which I order from Amazon all the time. So let's get to it. How I do my Lashybox unboxing is I will show you the lashes. I will do a little close-up. We'll talk about the band, how soft it is. You know, I try to kind of describe to you guys the lashes, the softness of it, best of my ability anyways, because I am not an expert. It's just, you know, I tell you how I see it, how I feel it. So I do that, and I will definitely show you what it looks like with one eye, with both on. Like I said, they did put a lash glue in here. This is a dark one this time. Usually they have the clear one, but this one is a black one. I will set this aside for a giveaway. And they did put a highlighter in here. I'm not gonna swatch this so I can put this on a giveaway. In a giveaway, this is the highlighter mirror luminizer. I have this. I have the compact, the full size of this. This is what it looks like, you guys. If you've never tried this is an OG highlighter. It's really pretty. It's more like a champagne highlighter. It's really pretty. This is from the brand The Balm Cosmetics. So we are gonna put this aside, put it back in the little plastic right here, and then we have a mascara. So I think that's pretty neat. You know, you have lashes, and of course you will need you will need to prep your lashes before you do your false lashes. You need to curl them. You need to apply mascara so your false lashes will adhere to your real lashes. You don't want that separation, because you will definitely I cannot talk. It's been a minute. Because you will see that separation when you are up close to somebody. This one I will use because this goes together with the falsies. So this is our mascara right here. It's a big one, but the bristles are really tiny, so this is gonna be great for the lower. I'm just gonna apply this on one side of our eyeballs so we can see the difference. Ooh. I'm not gonna spend too much time with this because I am putting lashes on, false lashes, but it is definitely grabbing all your false, your real lashes, I should say. It didn't lengthen my lashes, but it's definitely a good mascara for the lower. So I'm gonna put some on the other side and we'll get started with our first lashes. This is our first style right here, you guys. This is from IFULLASH. This is a 3D faux mink lashes. This has a multi-layered lashes. That just means that you have different layer of lashes. Some are long, some are short, and the style goes from short to long, which complements my eye shape really well. The band is pretty soft. It bends really well, so it will definitely conform to your eye shapes. The one that I'm going to show you guys, I already pre-cut. Yes, I pre-cut it. I pre-cut them already. The first lashes, I put them on with you guys, and then the rest, I just show you what it looks like. Look at your mirror, look down. It's easy as that, you guys. When you get really comfortable with your lashes, it's really easy. It applies for you, if that makes sense. But most of the time, you guys, my lashes are on my lashes. I know that's not good. And I love this thing. And you just use it to kind of marry your lashes and the false lashes together and kind of give it a little lift. Voila. I have my eyelid tape to you guys, so it's really lightweight like it says on the packaging. It's really pretty, you guys. This style right here definitely complements my eye shape. I just love the lift that it gives in my eyes. I really like showing you guys the difference of having the lashes and not having the lashes on. So I'm gonna put the other one on so you guys can see the full look. I know you're probably thinking, well, you're not gonna say bad things about these lashes unless the lashes are stubborn to work with, unless lashes are the band doesn't bend, then lashes are workable for me. Unless they're the lashes itself are like really stiff and just like straightforward, then I will tell you that I don't like them. But these lashes that I've been working with and that I've been trying for you are just great. So yeah, let me know what you think about every single one that I'm gonna try for you guys. So this is from the brand IFULLASH, I think that's how you say it. This is the packaging of this one, by the way. One thing too though, you guys, when I cut my lashes, I keep the end piece that I cut just in case I mess up on like the length of the lashes that I cut. What if it's too short? I can always add this on the end and you know, it looks like I didn't mess up. So just keep that in mind, you guys. So you guys, this is our next pair right here. I don't think I have to cut this one. This is from the brand Rude, I think. I'll show you guys the box in a minute. We have two lashes from this brand, and both box has Rude on the box. And this is in the style Sugar and Spice. It's really pretty, you guys. So this is another 3D faux mink lashes. This one is pretty neat actually. So we have long and then short, long, short, long, short. You guys know what I'm trying to get at. The band is pretty bendable. That's all I need to know. As long as you can bend the band, you guys, that's all you need to know. If a band is just stiff and it's hard to bend, then that's going to be really hard to work with. But this one is bendable. So this one, you guys, I had to cut still because it was drooping down. I mean, I can still cut a little bit more right here because it's still drooping down, but I will do that later, or I can just pull it in a little bit more in the inner corner. But it is so lightweight, you guys. So far so good. Loving this style as well. It is so easy. This one right here, you guys, I just popped it on and it's like one of those magnetic lashes. It just went on its place and it's so easy, you guys. I'm telling you, practice, it just makes things so much easier. So I hope you guys loving lashes like I do. So let's go ahead and move on to another Rude lashes. I just want to show you guys the box. This is what it looks like, and it says Rude right here. That's what I'm thinking, that's what it's from. Our next pair is from the same brand, Rude, and this is Baby Doll. So I had to cut this one. This one has the same size all the way around. This is 3D faux mink lashes as well, but I had to cut you know, the end piece. It's really light on the eyes. It's, you know, it was easy to put on and all that easy good stuff. I don't know, but it's just, it's not speaking to me, you guys. It's not speaking to me. So but it's still really pretty. You know, I'm saying all that and you probably will see these lashes on one of my pictures tomorrow, but it's really okay. Yeah, let's move on. Let's move on. So you guys, our last pair of lashes is from Beauty Creation. I didn't know that they create lashes as well. This is in the style Luster. So it says on the box that this is a 3D lashes, but to me, 3D lashes is like the other ones that I showed you guys previously. They have like a lot of layers, wispiness, they are fluffy, but this one just doesn't seem like it's fluffy. As you guys can see, it's pretty flat to me. I really don't know how I feel about these lashes. It just don't look like a 3D lashes to me. It looks pretty flat and it just doesn't look like it has flair to it. I'm so sorry to say that. It's not my favorite lashes. It's definitely my least favorite lashes in this box. I'm sure this is very affordable lashes, but I'm going to show you guys that it's very easy to put on. I definitely had to cut it a lot because I'm gonna show you. It is pretty long. And then, like, if I just put it on, this is what happens when you just apply false lashes without trimming the end. It droops down your eyes, so you have to go to the edge of your lashes and just see how much you need to cut, which is a good bit for me. So just cut the edge. The band is really easy to work with. I have tried a lot of lashes, so I know what I want and don't want. Yeah, so this is a lashes that I would stack on top of another lashes. If another lashes is just too small for me or too flat for me, then I would definitely stack this on top of that. So you know, I bend it to how I like it already. It's curved to my eyes, and I'm just gonna put this right here like that. See, you can probably still see how easy that was. It's not a hard lash to work with. It's just it's not as fluffy as I want it. I like lashes that are bushy, fluffy, wispy, flirty. This one is just doesn't have that 3D effect that I like. Look how easy that was. See? Nothing to it. I don't even have to fix it. I'm gonna put it down because I don't have to fix it. But yeah, so this is that one from Beauty Creation. It's definitely wearable. It's easy to work with. When you say 3D lashes, I like it with a lot of layers and a lot of curliness and fluffiness and flirtiness, so that's why I didn't like this lashes. It's just too flat for me. That's the only reason why I don't like it. So you guys, that is all the lashes that I have for you guys today. Don't worry, there'll be more next month. Hopefully they still you know, sending out those boxes, but that's everything I have for you guys today. On the box, you guys, up there somewhere on the link up there, you guys, I will put all of the lashes that I have tried on for you guys today. Let me know which one you would like to try, and then on the comment section, please let me know which one looked good on me. Everything that you need to know about this video, everything that I showed you in this video is going to be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.